Everyone asks me this when they first start trading. How much do I actually need to get started? Most people think the answer is thousands of dollars, but the truth is completely different and honestly way more encouraging for beginners. So let's break down the real numbers, how prop firms fit in, and the easiest path to becoming a consistently profitable trader. Most beginners assume trading is a rich person's game. They think you need $2,000 to $5,000 just to start, a big cushion for losses, all the fancy software, and some magical strategy that only the gurus have. But that's simply not true. Trading's no longer just a game of capital, it's a skill development game. The market doesn't reward the trader with the biggest account, it rewards the trader with the best discipline, patience, and structure. So let's answer the question directly. How much do you need to actually start trading? If we're talking personal capital, technically very little. But here's the problem, most beginners blow their first account. Not because they're bad traders, but because they're learning while risking their own capital. That's backward. You should learn first, then scale capital. This is where prop firms come in, and this is why they've exploded in popularity. They let beginners start with low upfront costs, low capital requirements, access to real buying power, and rules that force discipline. Instead of putting $2,000 of your own money at risk, you pay a small monthly fee to prove you can trade a structured plan. If you want to go this route, I've partnered with both Apex and 8Cap. Both links are below. Use them so you're not overpaying for challenges. I've used prop firms myself. I've passed accounts, I've also failed accounts before I understood discipline. They're not perfect, but for beginners, they are far better than blowing your own savings. And this is the part nobody ever says. Prop firms won't fix bad habits. If you revenge trade, overtrade, skip your stops, take random setups, and don't have daily risk rules, you're going to fail prop accounts just as fast as you would your personal account. This is why the foundation matters so much more than capital. But don't worry about money. Worry about one setup you trust, your proper levels, risk per trade, time of day rules, and emotional control. When you have that, you could pass prop challenges with confidence. This is exactly why I teach futures first. You don't need multiple markets, indicators everywhere, confusion, and noise. Futures gives you clean price action, high liquidity, consistency, and a predictable routine, which is the perfect learning ground for beginners. It's why my entire beginner foundation was built around futures, because once you understand structure, you can pass funded accounts and eventually grow your own accounts without guessing. Here's the roadmap I wish someone gave me. Step 1, learn the structure, the levels, trend, setups, risk. Step 2, backtest your setups. Step 3, paper trade until you can follow the rules. Step 4, apply those skills on a prop challenge. Step 5, only scale personal capital once you're consistent. This is the safest, fastest, and most reliable path for beginners today. If you want a step-by-step beginner's foundation, I built a full futures course that walks you through everything I just talked about, from structure to risk to the routines that stop beginners from blowing their account. And if you want to start with funded trading, my Apex and 8Cap discount links are in the description, so you can save money on your challenges. Either way, you don't need thousands of dollars to start trading. You need a plan and the discipline to follow it. If this helped you rethink how much money you actually need to trade, make sure to subscribe. I post content every day to help beginners trade with confidence. And I'll see you in the next one.